Offering and removing a bedpan and urinal. The use of bedpan and urinal is usually for patients who do not or cannot make their way to the comfort room. The purpose of this is to urinate the patient even if immobile and to collect urine or urine sample. First procedure, bring the bedpan and other necessary equipment to the bedside. Arranging things conserves time, energy, and avoid unnecessary stretching and twisting of the muscles of the nurse. Perform hand hygiene, or you may apply alcohol and put on clean gloves. This is to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Identify the patient to ensure the right patient receives the intervention and helps prevent errors. Explain the procedure to the patient and assess the patient's ability to assist with the procedure. To promote reassurance and provide knowledge about the procedure and to encourage participation. Close curtains or door of the room. To ensure patient's privacy. Place back blanket to the patient. To keep patient stay warm and provide additional privacy. Expose lower half of patient's body to facilitate easy procedure. Ask the patient to bend the knees, then lift her hips upward. Assist patient by placing your hand under the patient's lower back and assist with lifting. Place waterproof pad, then slip the bedpan into place with other hand. This is to lessen the energy needed to lift the patient. Cover the patient with the back blanket to facilitate elimination and provide privacy. Ensure proper position of bedpan. The patient's buttocks must be resting on the rounded shelf of the regular bedpan. This is to prevent spills into the bed and ensure patient's comfort and prevent injury. Raise the head of the bed to 90 degrees or sitting position as tolerated to provide comfort. Give and leave the tissue to the patient to make patient wipe clean his or her secretions. Raise side rails if there is side rail and leave the patient if necessary. Promote self-esteem and respect for privacy. Side rails may assist the patient in repositioning. Removing of the bedpan. Perform hand hygiene or you may apply alcohol and don on clean gloves. This is to avoid the spread of microorganisms. Get warm washcloth to facilitate the cleaning of perineum. Lower head of the bed and ask the patient to bend knees. These facilitate easy removal of the bedpan. Remove bedpan in the same manner it was offered. Ask the patient to lift the buttocks up from the bedpan. Assist the patient by placing your nearest hand to the patient's lower back to lessen energy needed by nurse in lifting. Using the trash bag, remove the bedpan into the trash bag. This is to prevent the spread of microorganisms and to prevent soilage. Clean the perineum to prevent the bacterial growth by cleaning the secretions. Remove the waterproof pad and throw in a proper receptacle to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Cover the patient to keep patient warm. Empty and clean the bedpan. Clean and sanitize the bedpan. Cleaning reusable equipment helps prevent the spread of microorganisms. Using the other clean washcloth, wipe patient's hand, cleaning each finger individually to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Adjust the head of the bed to comfortable position. This is to promote patient safety and comfort. Remove back blanket from the patient to promote client's comfort. Remove gloves and perform hand hygiene by applying alcohol. This is to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Record relevant data. This is for proper documentation.